In a quiet meadow at sunrise, a farmer gazes at the tiniest seed in his palm. "It's small," he whispers, "but it holds a promise." Jesus said, "The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed, the tiniest seed a man can plant. But when it grows, it becomes the largest of garden trees, where birds of the air come and make their nests in its branches." With care, the farmer presses it into the earth, trusting what his eyes cannot yet see. Days pass. Nothing stirs. The soil is still, yet deep below something awakens, touched by light, water, and faith. From silence, a fragile sprout pushes upward, reaching for the sky. Seasons turn. What once was hidden now stands tall, a mighty tree in full bloom. Birds of every color gather. The tree welcomes them all. It has become a sanctuary, filling the branches with song. Faith works the same way. What feels invisible now can become unstoppable later. Jesus reminds us, faith isn't about size, it's about who we place it in. So, plant your faith, even if it's small. Trust, and watch what God will grow through. The smallest faith, if it's real, can move mountains. God doesn't need something big, He just needs something true. Inspired? Like, share and subscribe for more animated Bible stories from Stories of Grace. New stories every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let faith grow, one story at a time.